Guys, as my outfit for today is like this. It's kinda like this, guys. So I'm planning to wear as my wife is Miranda, si Romy Miranda. Yun. Planning lang. Pero yan na. I successfully committed by Robs Miranda, my wife. This is my outfit for today. My outfit. Yan. San Juan ano? San Juan. Ako sa San Juan. Ako nga sa pala San Juan. So ito yung actual ano ko picture ko. Teka lang. Ayan, guys. Kirby. Ako yung totoong San Juan, guys. Ako yung totoong San Juan. At ang aking kapatid ay si Broly. At marami pa iba. Tsaka si Super Saiyan Vegeta. Super Saiyan Vegeta. Actual look. Ako nga pala ang creator ng lahat. Lahat words, anything. San Gohan. Anything like dish. Fish and meats and fish, and then gadgets, etc. and predictions, and forward, back and forth, back and forth, forward, and suddenly won by SG Gohan, Super Saiyan GT Gohan, GT speed. This is my actual look again. Garap lang ako ng Salamat guys. I'm Christian D. Bulagar, the most smartest human alive, San Gohan.